What's up everybody, this is Jake from Gearly Reviews, and today we are taking a look at the Vizio SB2920 soundbar. With a price tag of just $79, we were curious to see if this soundbar is legit. So we bought it, tried it out, and here's what we found. Build quality and design. The Vizio soundbar was packaged well, wrapped in foam, and the inner box was shipped with a larger box surrounding it full of extra padding. It comes with a digital optical cable, a digital coaxial cable, and stereo RCA cables. The design is nothing to write home about, but the materials did not feel cheap. The overall build quality felt solid and sturdy, so we felt that the Vizio soundbar deserved a score of 7.5 out of 10 for build quality and design. Setup and operation. Setup was easy, and it perfectly matched the horizontal space next to the 32-inch LG TV we paired with the soundbar. We skimmed the manual, which only took about 5 minutes. Once we finished with the manual, we simply plugged the provided digital optical cable into the TV's optical output and we were good to go. As far as ease of installation and ease of use, we gave the soundbar a score of 8.5 out of 10. Sound quality. To be honest, given its price tag, we were not expecting a whole lot from this Vizio soundbar. But I gotta say, we were pleasantly surprised with its sound quality. Now, let's be clear, we're not putting it in the same league as the other soundbars reviewed on this channel, like the Samsung N950 or the Bose 700, but I don't think Vizio intended to do that. We were honestly impressed with the audio quality that the $79 soundbar blasts. It's loud, clear, and has a surprisingly deep bass for such a small bar, even without a dedicated subwoofer. We could clearly hear the audio separation, and at no point did we get that cheap audio feeling that often comes with these entry-level products. The sound quality was leaps and bounds better than the built-in speakers of the LG TV we used, but not as good as one of the top-end soundbars we have reviewed on this channel. We had to tweak the settings a bit to compensate for the lack of a subwoofer, but eventually we got a surprisingly large amount of bass with very clear highs and mids. As far as loudness goes, with only about 30% of the maximum volume, it was plenty loud, and the power this little soundbar packed was extremely solid. Overall, we would give this soundbar a score of 7.5 out of 10 in the sound quality department. Regarding features, this bar comes with a built-in Bluetooth module. We were easily able to pair it with our phone within a few seconds and didn't experience any issues with lag. While this bar does not support DTSX or Dolby ATMOS, it does support DTS and DTS True Surround. The remote is small and simple to use. Both the remote and the soundbar have a Bluetooth pairing button. The Bluetooth pairing was quick and simple. You simply hold the Bluetooth button down for 5 seconds and the soundbar's LEDs start running up and down the sides, letting you know it's in pairing mode. Our phone identified it right away and paired it immediately. Range seems about the same as the Amazon Echo. Our score in the features department is 6.8 out of 10, mostly due to the lack of DTSX and Dolby ATMOS. Pros and cons. Pros. Very decent sound quality even without a subwoofer. Small size will make it a good fit in bedrooms, living rooms, and maybe most ideally college dorm rooms. Easy to set up and to operate. Its price tag of only $79 is a huge advantage. Cons. Having to tweak the bass and treble to compensate for the lack of a subwoofer. The True Surround option was not great. We felt it just made the sound more muddled. No HDMI output feels a bit circa 2006. The only options are either RCA cables, a digital optical cable, or a digital coaxial cable. Our conclusion. The sound quality of this Vizio soundbar is good and will do for 90% of bedrooms, living rooms, and honestly, most ideally, for college dorm rooms. If you're in college and need a quality soundbar without breaking the bank, this soundbar is highly recommended. But anyone who's a true audiophile, this soundbar falls a little short. If what you're looking for is a compact soundbar on a budget at just $79, the Vizio SB2920 is a great choice. Thanks for joining us, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that like button. If this is your first time here, make sure to subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Catch you guys next time!